New Keith Urban single just came out. It's called One Too Many, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the intro and verse are made up of 5 chords, the first of which is an E major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 9th fret. Next is a G sharp major chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the G string. Next is an A major chord. So you're going to take the G sharp major chord and move it up 1 fret. Then a B major chord. So you're going to take the A major chord and move it up 2 frets. Then a C sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 9th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the D string. Then back to the G sharp major chord. Then A major, B major. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. So for the chorus, we're going to do the same chord progression that we did during the verse 1 time. And then we're going to go to an E major chord, which we already learned. A G sharp major chord, which we also learned already. Then an A major chord. B major. Then we're going to go to an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Then back to a G sharp major chord, A major chord, B major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. The bridge is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a G sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string. Next is an F sharp minor chord, which we already learned. And you're going to do that 3 times. Then you're going to go from an G sharp minor chord to a B major chord, which we already learned. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for One Too Many. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.